Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you so-called industrial endoscope that I purchased on TEMU. It costed 22 euros, 21 euros, something like that, with all the discounts that TEMU is offering. This device has a display 4 inches, it's waterproof apparently, and the cable length is 5 meters. What do you get in the package is the following: basically the device itself, here a charging cable, USB-C, couple of additions that you can attach on the top of the cable, little hooks and magnet, and here we have the manual, user manual about how to use the device. Now let's see at the device. It looks like this. The cable is quite strong. You can put it in different shapes or as you need it. As you can see, it's quite sturdy, so it stays in shape. You put it in like so. The camera lens is probably 0 point something megapixels, 8 millimeters lens with LEDs. Focus please, yes. So as you can see, now let's power on the device. So the resolution of the device is apparently 180p, which means full HD, but to be honest, maybe you cannot see it here in the video, but the quality is not that great. However, it can be very useful to look at the spots which you can't usually see on your own eyes. So you can put this cable in tight spots and such and see what you want to see. Let's see what you have from options. Focus. Okay, here we have a button for LED. As you can see here, as I'm pressing, it's increasing the intensity. It's also possible to turn it off, so with these two buttons. Here we have button to turn off the color, turn it on, turn it off. Down here we have a rotation, so we can rotate the video by 180 degrees, I believe. Yes, 180. Here we have a button for contrast. Basically it has specific modes. It just says intensified, normal, reduced, intensified, normal, reduced. So let's leave it at normal. And here we have zoom in and out. Zoom in, 2x is the maximum for zooming in, but this 2x feels like nothing, to be honest. Still, this device is quite useful depending where you want to use it. For 20 euros, I think it's quite a good deal. Here you can see how it can look. The quality is not that bad. Let's see if we turn the LEDs. Slightly better maybe. that's pretty much it. To turn it off, you just hold the button power and it powers off. That's it for this device. It's called industrial endoscope. 20 euros, 22 euros on TEMU. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.